Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Dixon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Gene Autry, and northern Lake Murray. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.